Hi everyone, in this video we will see the losses in the electrical machines. The losses in a machine, DC machine, classified into three. First one is copper loss, second one is iron loss, and third one is mechanical loss. The copper loss is again classified into armature copper loss, shunt copper loss, series copper loss. And iron loss is again classified into hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. And the friction and windage losses are the types of mechanical losses. First, the copper loss. Armature copper loss is given by I square R, that is Ra armature winding resistance and Ia armature current. So due to the current flowing in the armature, there will be a loss called I square R loss. This loss is about 30 to 40% of full load losses. And shunt copper loss is given by ISH square RSH, where RSH is shunt field winding and ISH is shunt field current. Similarly, series copper loss is given by ISE square RSE. RSE is series field winding resistance and ISE is current flowing through the series field. This loss is about 20 to 30% of full load losses. And second one is iron loss. So iron loss is classified into hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. The hysteresis loss is due to the cyclic magnetization of the magnetic material. Hysteresis loss occurs. So this loss is given by WH is equal to eta B max power 1.6 FV, where eta is a Steinmetz hysteresis coefficient and B max is maximum flux density, and V is the volume of the core in meter cube, and F is the frequency of magnetic reversal, and eddy current loss. So this eddy current loss is due to the current flowing inside the conductor circuit. That is, when a current carrying conductor, current flowing through the windings, there will be a setup of magnetic flux, and the magnetic material itself is a conductor. So due to the flux setup, there will be a flow of current in the conducting material, that is magnetic material. So this current do nothing, that is this current do no work. So due to this current, there will be a I square R loss in the material. This is called eddy current loss. This current is called eddy current, and this loss is given by We is equal to K B max square F square T square V square, and expressed in watts. T is the thickness of each lamination, and K is eddy current constant, and F is frequency. Again, B is flux density and V is volume. This loss is about 20 to 30% of the full load losses. And the third one is mechanical losses. So friction loss, due to the mechanical movements of the parts, machine parts, the loss occurs at bearings and commutator. These are all called friction losses. And windage losses in rotating armature. This loss is about 10 to 20% of full load losses. And stray losses, magnetic and mechanical losses are collectively known as stray losses. These are all the basics of losses of DC machine. And application of DC motor. DC motor is used in battery car, battery bike, train, flying camera robot, rotating camera, robots, everywhere DC motor is used. And these are all about basics of losses of DC motor. Thank you everyone.